Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator 22 multiplayer. First, navigate to the multiplayer option on the main menu. You can choose to create a new game, setting up your farm for others to join. Alternatively, select Join Game to connect to an existing server. Remember to share your server name or IP with friends, or invite them directly through the game's integrated system for a seamless start to your shared farming adventure. Once your session is active, you'll encounter different game modes, such as Farm Manager or New Farmer, each offering unique starting conditions. Crucially, you can assign distinct roles to each player, like driver or field worker, which helps organize tasks. These roles come with specific permissions, determining who can purchase new land, acquire vehicles, or manage animals, ensuring a structured and cooperative farming operation for everyone involved. To truly succeed in multiplayer, effective coordination is key. Discuss and assign tasks such as planting, cultivating, or harvesting to different players to maximize efficiency across your farm. Utilize the in-game chat or external voice communication to stay connected and make real-time decisions. Sharing your valuable equipment and resources, like tractors or harvesters, ensures everyone contributes effectively and boosts your collective farm output significantly. Encountering connection issues can be frustrating, but often a quick check of your network settings or router can resolve them. Ensure every player has a stable internet connection to prevent lag and disconnections, which can disrupt your farming flow. For the best experience, communicate clearly, establish shared goals, and respect each other's contributions. A well-organized and cooperative approach will lead to a much more enjoyable and productive farming experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.